Get TaleDraw. Create your story today. Join the TaleDraw community. Like and subscribe for more. Celine's Community Garden. Celine woke up early that Saturday morning excited about the community project. As she looked out of her window, she saw the vast, empty lot that was due to become a community garden. It was a perfect way for the community to come together and help one another. Celine put on her gloves, grabbed her gardening tools, and joined the rest of her neighbors outside. Mr. Thompson, their elderly neighbor, was organizing the tools, while Mrs. Lee was handing out seed packets. Johnny and Cindy, twins from down the street, were eagerly waiting to dig into the soil. Throughout the day, Celine and her neighbors worked together planting seeds and watering them. They laughed, shared stories, and enjoyed each other's company. It was exhausting but fulfilling. Even though their hands were dirty and their backs sore, their hearts were full of joy. As the sun started setting, they took a break and looked at their hard work. The once empty lot was now filled with rows of tiny plants, which would grow into vegetables and flowers. Everyone went home that night with a feeling of accomplishment, knowing they had built something together as a community. Until next time, help your children explore their heart's story. Download TaleDraw today. Available for all audiences on Google Play and Apple App Store.